Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to center text in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your Shopify account successfully, we can now get started with accessing all the sections we have right here, like home, orders, products, and so on, and we can get started centering our text. So what we're going to be opening up first, guys, is right here under sales channels, open up online store. That's automatically going to open up your theme section right here under your online store, as you can see, where we can take a look at our theme that we are using and we can get started with editing it. So guys, we have two ways. The first way is the simple way. We can just click the customize button right here. That's going to open up this new editor tab where we can take a look at the text we have in our sections. So you can see here's my text box, and now let's say I want to go ahead and center it. What I can do, guys, is just go ahead and click right here and take a look at my text. Here I can go ahead and manage it. As you can see, I can move it to the next position and to the previous position, but this is the only options I have for centering my text. If you want to center it yourself and put it wherever you want on the page, you're going to need to use CSS and some coding skills. So you will be able to, in this main menu, click the three dots right here. That's going to open up this new menu with edit code as an option. So you want to open up edit code, and this is where we can get started. So as you can see on this thread right here on the official community Shopify page, we can see to center the text on the product page. Here a Shopify staff has given us an option what we have to do. Here is the code. You can go ahead and copy and paste. So find this thread on Google and go ahead into theme, CSS, base CSS, or whatever, whichever is available in your theme. As you can see here, I have some options under my templates and under my sections. So as you can see here, I have an apps liquid section and so on. So what you can do is go ahead and find the base CSS we have been just talking about. As you can see here, I have opened it up under my assets section, and here I can add that code. So go ahead and copy the code, paste it, and edit it and put it however you want. Manage the code how you want to center your text, and then apply it and go back, and this is how it's going to appear in your store right now. But yeah guys, basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.